given y equals the log base 2 of 8, this is the same as saying in this section of the text, we introduce a new and very important type of function called a logarithmic function. Logarithmic functions are important because they serve as the inverse to exponential functions. So I'm going to give the definition, which is somewhat abstract, but don't panic because we'll do lots of examples. So suppose that x and b are positive real numbers where b is not equal to 1. Then y equals the log base b of x represents the logarithmic function base b. And the relationship between x and y with this function is the same as saying that b to the y power equals x. Now, I'm sure that this is clear as mud,